how to add iCloud email address alias on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we tap on your Apple account name. Next, we go down and tap on iCloud. Then tap on the CO button. From here, tap on iCloud Mail. Then we go down to Addresses. Then tap on Add Alias. And in here, you can give it an alias. And then tap on the Accept button. Now you can also put in the full name. And then label. And then tap on the Accept button. And that's it. So that's how you can create an email address alias from iCloud Mail. After, you can tap on the back key. Here, if you want to set the default email, you can tap on that. And you can ask it to use the email alias. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.